Welcome to Asheville, North Carolina in June of 2026. No visit to Asheville without first checking out 70 Woodfin Place. Anyways, I know I've been here a while back, but it is definitely time for a much needed revisit. So, let's go see how the elevators are doing. Oh. There you go. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, yes. There's the elevator. Let's ride it. Yes, it's still original. Wait. No way. It's broken. No. Turns out to be an epic fail. Well, does the other elevator work? You better not tell me. I need to get that guy on camera. It works. At least this elevator still works. 1945 Otis. I'm disappointed that the gated elevator is broken. Oh! The door just got stuck midway. All right, here we go. This thing's got some sort of door disease. I'm assuming the roof is locked. Unfortunately, I don't see that Otis sign down there, that 1950s Otis sign. Oh my gosh, it is hot in this thing. I'll take it for one ride. We're gonna get off at 1. Listen to this motor. It still keeps on doing that. See, look at that. And the elevator's still... See, the elevator... What happened? The door just opened and it stalled. And then the elevator just kind of jerked a little. I don't know if you caught it on camera. And then the door just reversed shut. This elevator is kind of questionable. And the one button cap is still missing. Anyways, we're gonna get off this thing because it is hot in this thing. Oh, is this the first floor?
It's the first floor.
Oh.
Yeah.
There you go, ma'am. I was confused for a sec. I'm sorry. Yep, this is the right floor.
Okay.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
All right, with that being said, there it goes. I got a little nervous at first when I passed by that guy, fearing that we could get confronted. But it's quite a shame that this beautiful elevator from 1929 is down. I mean, it would have been so nice to see this thing live on. I really hope they don't get rid of this thing, because it's a sad shame that these old elevators are hard to get parts to keep them up and running. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that is going to be it.